Handling daylight saving time in Azure Function App Timer Trigger with Python. The challenge: Azure Timer Trigger and Daylight Saving Time. Azure Functions Timer triggers use CRON expressions defined as literal strings for their schedules. This design means you can't dynamically change the schedule at runtime to account for daylight saving time (DST) shifts directly in the CRON. When your function must run at a local time that shifts due to DST, example 2300 hours in Stockholm, a fixed UTC-based CRON triggers at the wrong local time after the DST change. Why can't we use dynamic CRON in Python Azure Functions? The adapt schedule decorator in Python Azure Functions expects a literal CRON expression string. Even interpolating or assigning variables with CRON strings won't cause the trigger to adapt dynamically at runtime. Practical solution: fixed multi-time schedule plus runtime filtering. Since Azure doesn't allow dynamic CRON schedules, a common workaround is: schedule your function to run at multiple candidate times that cover both DST and standard times. Inside the function, check the current local time. Exit early if the function is running outside the intended local time window. Step 1. Define a helper function for local time check. This function defines a 20-minute window to trigger around 2300 hours local time, allowing small timing differences. Step 2. Schedule multiple times covering DST and standard time. Schedule your function at two close UTC times that align with 2300 hours local time in both DST and standard time. The CRON schedule runs the function at both 2100 hours and 2200 hours UTC. At runtime, should _run_ script ensures only one execution proceeds at the correct local time. Benefits of this approach: reliability, uses Azure Functions supported CRON format. Simplicity, avoids complex infrastructure to alter schedules dynamically. Efficiency, the minor overhead of the dry runs, which exit early, is small. Flexibility, adaptable for any time zone and any DST rule. Summary: to handle daylight saving time in Python Azure Function Timer triggers, use fixed CRON strings covering all possible trigger times. Check the current local time inside your function. Run your core logic only if the check passes. This method is a pragmatic way to work around Azure Functions' static CRON limitations while ensuring your tasks align with local time regardless of DST shifts.